How to clean bent bottom of a pot or pan naturally. What is the best way to clean bent bottom of a pot without using cleaning product? Can you clean bent bottom of a pot or pan naturally? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do just that, and let's dive right in. And this is the bottom of our pot. We are going to clean this naturally to make it clean and new again. To do this, let me show you what you can use to clean this bent bottom of this pot without using any cleaning product, just dish soap. And so you're going to need your gloves, sponge, and then you need a dish soap. I always go for this one because this is a bleach alternative, so that is really good for cleaning bent bottom of pots without using chemicals or any cleaning product. This is really good to use. And our secret ingredient for cleaning bent bottom of our pot or pan today is going to be natural clay sand. This is very, very useful. This is what we use in Ghana, just a natural sand to clean bent bottom of a pot or pan, because we don't have the luxury or we don't have access to or choices for this much or this many cleaning product that you have in the States. So we use whatever we have, whatever is accessible to us is what we use, and we make very good use of it. So this is what we use to clean all our pots, our pans. When it's filthy, dirty, bent, this is what we use. And I want to share that experience with you in this video today, so you can see that there are other lives out there that don't have access to so many things that we do here, and so to appreciate whatever we have and be content with whatever we have. And so this is the experience. This is our secret ingredient, the natural clay sand. This is what we are going to use to clean bent bottom of our pot today. I hope this sheds some light on life for you, and let's dive right in. And here is our clay sand. I'm just going to take some portion, not a lot. It's a little. And this is what a natural clay sand looks like. It's very fine, but it's abrasive, so it's really good to take things off. It's really good to use on a pot. Let's see how this works. Just gonna wet the bottom of our pot. Also wet our sponge. We are just going to put these. So with our wet bent bottom of our pot, you have your sponge ready. We have our clay sand ready, and then dish soap. All you have to do is, we are just going to give a little dish soap on here. We just dab it in. You can dab it in, or you can just put a little on here. And then all you have to do is just start scrubbing. And then as you go, you add a little water at a time. Look at that. You see? Look at that. Look at how shiny that is coming right away. You can add a drop of water. And just go around. Just turn it around. We're almost done. Look at how cleaner that is looking. You can add more sand. Then turn it around. You can add more place sand if you need it. And look at that. Look at the transformation already. Look at this. Gonna go over it, and you can use this to clean around the pot so you don't make too much mess. And as you can see, it's coming right away, looking brighter, cleaner, like brand new again, brand new. So wash this away. And look at that. That is a cleaning hack. Place sand cleaning hack. And just make sure that you wipe off your counter so you don't have any mess. Alright. Alright, now make sure you can use this so you clean out your sink as well. And just use a dish soap and just clean and wash it off. And look at the bottom, the bent bottom of our pot. That looks brand new again. And that's it. That's how easy it is. And wash your gloves as well. Make sure your sink is clean and neat. And that's it. Hello friends, so I just show you how to clean bent bottom of your pot naturally without using any cleaning product, any chemicals, and make it look new again. And look at what we just did. This is the bent bottom that looks new again by just using play sand with dish soap. And this is the final result. I just want to share this with you so you know that from where I came from, we do not have luxury of all these cleaning products that you can find here, but we make use of what we have, which we use sand to clean anything, to clean most things, to make them new. And just a little inspiration that if you don't have access to those things at home, if you don't have a cleaning product to clean the bent bottom of your pot, if you don't have any cleaning product, use play sand. Try it on your pot. Just use play sand and a dish soap, and you see the amazing result that will come out of that. So those are the things that I'm used to, and I just want to share that little experience that I have with you so you know there are other ways to utilize the resources. There are other ways to use what you have. There are other ways to make good use of things you have. You don't have to have everything to make things happen. This is our way of life, my way of upbringing, using all the natural resources that we have at hand to make good use of them. I hope this video helps you. My name is Florence at florencestraka.com. Subscribe to this channel so I can bring you more videos like this. Watch the next video on how to clean bent bottom of a pot or pan. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below for me. If you have any natural cleaning ideas, please leave it in the comment section below for me. Thank you for watching my videos always. I appreciate your time and you stay healthy. I will see you on that video. Take care. Bye.